If you're a OnePlus fan, there's some exciting news coming your way. It seems the OnePlus 13 is gearing up for a launch in India and globally very soon. Let's dive into everything we know so far. The OnePlus 13 made its debut in China last month, showcasing impressive upgrades and a stylish design. Now, for those waiting eagerly for the global version, here's the exciting part. The OnePlus 13 has been spotted on the Bureau of Indian Standards and 2V Rheinland certification websites. This usually signals that the launch is just around the corner, so the wait might not be too long. Here's the scoop: the global version of the OnePlus 13 is listed with the model number CF2649 on the Bureau of Indian Standards, while on the 2V Rheinland site, it's connected to the Chinese model number PS110. This strongly suggests that the OnePlus 13 for international markets will have the same features and design as the Chinese version. What can we expect? The OnePlus 13 is packed with high-performance features, cutting-edge design, and a sleek form factor. If the global version mirrors the Chinese release, it's going to be an exciting addition to the flagship lineup. The Bureau of Indian Standards listing indicates that the India launch is imminent, and there's a possibility that the global release might happen around the same time. Although the certification listings don't confirm a specific date, looking back at the launch pattern of the OnePlus 12, which was released in China in December and globally about a month later, we might see the OnePlus 13 hitting international markets next month. As for pricing and availability, those details are still under wraps, but we can expect more information to surface soon. If you're excited about the OnePlus 13 and want to know how it compares to its predecessor, stay tuned. We'll keep you updated as new details emerge. That's it for today's update. What are your thoughts on the OnePlus 13's global launch? Are you excited to see it hit the shelves? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.